I just got this meter, and it's in pretty bad condition because of the glass, as you can see. But I'll tell you about how I got it. It's been sitting in a garage where my mom works, and they were going to throw it out, so my mom just, gave it to me because she knows I'm into this stuff. All I know is originally it was in his house where the power went out and his generator kicked on, and something happened where the generator was getting power to the meter, and I guess the power came back on, and then there was like a flash, and I guess it popped the meter, and the glass, broke with it somehow. Must have been a pretty big flash. I don't know if there's some sort of fuse in here that would pop and maybe save the meter, or if there's none, then the whole thing is probably just never going to function again. But I have a variac. I mess around with electricity. I have an ammeter and a voltmeter, stuff like that. I don't think I'd ever be able to use it, so I'm probably just going to end up putting it on the wall, and it'd just be like a decoration or something. It's definitely interesting though. I never thought I'd actually get one of these. So it'll just expand on all the electrical stuff I have. Basically what I want to know is, besides the glass, is it like mechanically damaged? Because I don't really know anything about these. I don't know if I could get it to function again, or if it's better off just, hanging it up somewhere. It is interesting though. I've never actually had one of these besides the one on my house, obviously. The glass is just pretty much shattered all the way through. On the back, this glass doesn't fall off anymore. Everything's pretty much intact on the back. It's just really messy. I'll probably clean it up. I'm not sure if I can probably just take all this glass off maybe and just get all the dust off it and cobwebs off of it. But it says here 7 of 82, so it's a fairly old meter. I don't know exactly how this thing is supposed to function, but this dial here spins freely right now. If you look, I don't know, this camera would focus. Alright, if you look, this dial, the threads on that aren't even actually touching the gear. So it's obviously spaced. So that's not even turning it. Not sure if I see any other mechanical damage besides that. Alright, I just hit it with a little bit of compressed air. I don't know if I doubt it's going to work. That's probably why they replaced it. I don't know how it would actually hook this thing up. Just put a load on it maybe, I don't know. See if it actually turns. It'd be neat if I could actually get it to turn. Well, as far as I know, this doesn't work. I put a load going through these two and these two, and I put 120 on both of these at the same time. Then I would draw loads from both of these. Now the current went through it obviously because these are just connected as a winding, and went through it fine, both of these, but it wouldn't spin. I have a feeling it's because of this, whatever this is, a coil probably on here. It probably is what gets it to work. I don't know. Anyway, as most coils will go, let's just say you have like a coil right here on this induction motor, and you put a continuity meter on it, and it'll read it because this is actually connected. But when I put it on here, I didn't get anything. I guess that possibly means that inside of here there's, the wires probably just fried. I'll show you that real quick. Alright, so I've got it on the alarm, so it'll alarm if it gets continuity. So, let's test it. And on a standard transformer, which is the same thing as an induction motor in this case, you touch on here, it conducts because it goes through the windings. But I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of hard to hold. If I touch it on here, like this winding here, it's not going through at all. That's probably why it doesn't work. I can't even get this off because this core here is actually going in and probably through this. Actually, yeah, it has to be. So I can't get that off. So I'm guessing this is just going to be for show now because that doesn't work, and I doubt I can get it to work now. And I'm assuming it's because of this. I'm pretty sure it needs that. But other than that, everything else seems fine. Even this, I don't know. This even seems to go backwards after I spin it. It's kind of weird. If I go the other way, it'll still do it. It does more this way. So anyway, this is just going to be probably hung up somewhere. I don't know. I'll just put it all back together, and there's a, let's see, on the back here I'll probably just stick a nail in the wall and then put it through that. Hang it up on the wall, you know. Decoration is all it'll be.